Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video was completely inspired by this curtain that I found on the clearance rack. I thought it was such a beautiful shade of blue with beautiful flowers all over it, and I knew I could turn it into something awesome. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this stretchy material right here, and I'm going to make a lining for the inside of my set. Inner lining is supposed to be my template so I don't accidentally mess up my beautiful fabric because I only had so much to work with. My inner lining material is stretchy, but the curtain fabric is not stretchy, so I will be heavily over outlining my cuts on my curtain. My set is supposed to consist of a asymmetrical lace-up corset top and a pleated skirt. So everything that I'm going to do to my lining fabric, I'm going to do to my curtain fabric. I need to cut out all of my pieces and sew them all together. I did realize later on that I had accidentally sewn all of my lining pieces the wrong way, so I did go back and fix that. This was the moment I realized I messed up my lining piece, but I'm going to fix the lining piece and I'm going to fold over my curtain piece to make it line up with my lining piece like this, and I'm going to sew it to keep it flat all the way around. For the lace up in the back, I had silver and gold grommets to choose from, and I felt like since the flowers were pretty yellow gold, I was going to go with the gold. And I wanted to put 5 grommets on each side, and so I measured to have them even, and I still did not put them evenly. Moving on to the skirt, I'm just going to take a long piece of material. I'm going to take a fork, put it on the fabric and twist it to make my pleats all the way to the end of my fabric. I then immediately realized that I needed to put my lining piece on the back before I did my pleats, so this is what I'm doing here, just adding extra fabric to the back of my skirt. I needed to adjust the length of my skirt, so all of this material right here will be cut off. I don't know why I pinned it, because I had to take all those pins back out just so I can cut off the extra material. Then I'm going to repin it and sew all the way across the bottom. After closing up the bottom, I redid all my pleats and I'm going to iron them to keep the pleat seams a little crispy. I added a zipper to the back to make it easy to get on and off, and I'm going to go ahead and close up the back. After closing up the back of the skirt and lacing up the back of the top, my set is finished. And I'm just going to show you guys 2 different ways I decided to style this set. This first styling will consist of the 2 pieces together. I did make the skirt a little bit too big for me, so I do have a safety pin holding it together to keep it where I want it to be. And I did make the corset not really a crop top, so I'm going to tuck it to make it one. I'm going to pair it with these white and gold heels. And since gold is my accent color, I will be pairing it with all gold jewelry. Until I figure out the proper hairstyle I want to do with this outfit, I'm just going to put a claw clip in it and I'm going to pair it with a gold purse. And this is just a cute, simple summertime look. I really like this look. It's really cute. Now for the second look, I'm going to pair it with a pair of oversized jeans. And to accentuate the red in the curtain material, I'm going to use a red belt to hold my pants up. I am going to layer by adding a white shirt underneath my corset top. All of the same gold jewelry from the first. And I'm going to pair it with some red and white shoes and a red bag. I think this is a more casual look, a more everyday type look, something simple, something easy. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to know which styling you guys like best, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this